In this extremely easy to go and do makeup tutorial, we're going to go and make it look like there's a split in our face. What you're going to need is you're just going to really need black and white cosmetics, so let's go and get started. What you're going to go and do is you're going to go and take a paintbrush and draw a line from your chin all the way up your nose. I am using a water-based cosmetic. I'm using the Mehron brand, which is from the Paradise palette, and really honestly, this stuff goes on pretty easily. It's like painting with watercolor paints on your face. So after you do that, create a second line that goes down, fill this in, and then continue to draw this line all the way up. I'm using my other hand to go and stabilize this brush, and again, this doesn't have to be fully and totally perfect, and you see there was a little bit of a gap there. It does happen. When doing this, you do need to take your time because you don't want the upper portion of the line to be too thick. After that is filled in, go and take white cosmetic, put it onto one side, and it should be very lightly down. Make sure to get the other side along with also towards the upper portion of where the line is. And this layer you want to very slightly blend with the black cosmetic that you already put down. It should look pretty gray on the sides. Now take a thinner brush and follow this up with a white jagged line. This is going to really make it pop and it's going to make it look a little bit more real. On the upper portion, make sure to just continue up very slightly with a line, blend it, and your makeup when you are done should look like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and have a good one.